1978 Pontiac Trans Am at Unique Specialty and Classics. Looking good in Martin blue cloth interior. Bucket seats, so A51 code car. This isn't originally a Martin Blue 224 paint coat on it. Pontiac 400 V8 underneath the hood. That is paired up with a 4-speed manual transmission. Go ahead and take a look at this front fascia. See, nice and clean, free of much of any nicks, dings, rock chips. Take a look at the hood. Paint on this car does show well. And you can check it out in the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Nicely equipped, power steering, power brakes, AC. Looks like it's riding on the snowflake wheels. These are the wider ones too, if you notice the lip. Up and down the length of the passenger side. Body panels look straight. Also free of much of any nicks, dings, scratches. Take a peek at that interior. Again, bucket seats, center console, 4-speed down there on the floor. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. It's one of those cars where, yes, it does look as good in person as it does the pictures and the videos. Paint shows well. The one thing the techs did mention on this, and we want to announce if the seller has chose to sell it the way that you see it. We'll fire it up here shortly too, but instead of when it warms up, sounds like it's got a little bit of lower engine noise. Technicians wanted to mention that. We're stating that up front if you don't have somebody inspect it, look at it. Seller has chosen to sell it the way it is. And those still pictures, so you can see the underside, engine bay, check out all the information on this car. uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Take a look up and down the length of the driver's side here. Again, pretty much free of much of any nicks, dings, scratches. Now, of course, the one spot you're always going to see stuff on these is this flare that comes out in front of the wheels. So there's usually a little something on those where they've picked up pebbles or a little nick, what have you. All right, let's check out this interior. Door panels, good shape. Take a look at the blue cloth seats. I believe these are the Lombardi Deluxe bucket seats, if I remember right. And they kind of have that nap to the fabric, so you get a little bit darker and a little bit lighter, and basically that's from the nap in the fabric. It's kind of light blue contrasting the Mark blue exterior. Let's go ahead and fire this up. See, the tack is working. I'll warm up here a second. There we go. Come down off that high idle. Oil pressure up top. Does have an aftermarket radio, JVC, that is in working order. Wipers were working, horn worked. Top of the dash, free of cracks, discoloration, anything like that. Take a peek at that headliner over in here. Looks good. Probably 100 or so pictures of this car online, so you're really going to be able to see it from every angle. Exhaust note sounds good. Slip up to the front. I'm going to pause this a second. It's going to take me 2 hands to get this hood open, and we'll check out that engine bay.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There we go, the 6.6 liter Pontiac 400, paired up with the manual transmission, of course. Looks like we have a newer master cylinder back there. So power steering, power brakes, AC components over here. Has been converted from R112 to 134 fittings. And again, it's after it's warmed up, maybe under load, running a little bit. It's got some, sounded like a little lower engine noise. The tech stated here, sounds good. Smooth running. May need a little attention to that. So I wanted to represent the car the way it is, make the announcement. So there you have it, 1978 Pontiac Trans Am Martin Blue. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.